Okay, till now what we have learned the basics of SEO. That is the theory part. Completely we are done with SEO theory part. Now we will start the practical part, which is our on-page SEO. On-page SEO is very important. It is even more important than off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, anybody can do it. It is very simple to do. And generally, on-page SEO, it is very organic and little bit it is difficult to rank on SERP. Obviously, it is not easy to rank on SERP among so much competition. So off page, when you join a company, like a new company as a fresher or something, you will get off page work only. People will give you job for off page if you are a fresher, because off page is more of a very easy work to do, and it is very hectic work to do. Very hectic but very easy. So generally companies, if you join as a fresher, they'll be giving you a work of off page. Directly nobody will give on page work. So you have to be perfect in on-page SEO. Off-page SEO, if you listen once, even on-page also, if you listen once, you'll be understanding. But off-page is very basic and very easy to do. On-page is easy, but it is difficult to rank on SEO. So we will start with our on-page SEO, which is the important technique in all the SEO techniques. Now to do on-page SEO, that means if you want your website to rank on SERP for a particular keyword, then the first step is you have to install a plugin. The first plugin you need to install over here is All-in-One SEO Pack. All-in-One SEO is the plugin which you need to install for doing on-page SEO. 100% this plugin should be there in your website. All-in-One SEO Pack or Yoast. Yoast and All-in-One SEO Pack both are similar, but All-in-One SEO is most preferable because it is little bit easy when compared to Yoast, but both are similar. But we will be using All-in-One SEO because it is very easy to do. So the first step is when you create a website, and if you want to do on-page SEO for your website, you have to install a plugin called All-in-One SEO. Now, how to install a plugin? Now, this is some website. So let's go back over here, and plugins will be there over here. Just click on plugins and click on add new. Then All-in-One SEO plugin will be installed. After installing the plugin, activate the plugin. So first click on add new. All-in-One SEO plugin is used for server-side optimization also. So for complete SEO, All-in-One SEO plugin should be there in your website. All-in-One SEO. All-in-One SEO. First install, then activate the plugin. Okay, this is the plugin, All-in-One SEO, best WordPress SEO plugin, easily improve SEO rankings and increase the traffic. To improve your SEO rankings and to increase the traffic, you have to use the plugin. This plugin only you need to use. Otherwise, Yoast is also there. You can go with Yoast. But this is good. So let's go with this. First install, then activate. Okay, I have installed the plugin called All-in-One SEO. Then activate the plugin. And activate the plugin. Okay, I have installed the All-in-One SEO plugin and I have activated the plugin also. Then this kind of tab appears to you. Welcome to the All-in-One SEO AIO in the sense All-in-One SEO setup wizard. Let's get started. Here, no need to give any details. Just click on save and continue. And one more option appears. There also click on save and continue. And at the end, there will be a skip button. Just click on skip. Again, save and continue. And skip this step. When you get the skip option, please skip it. because it's not required. Skip this. Finish setup and go to the dashboard. So first finish its all-in-one SEO setup. Until skip button appears, you just click on save and continue. Once skip button appears, just click on save and click on finish setup. Okay. All-in-one SEO pack has been installed and activated in my dashboard. You can see on the left side over here in the bottom. So the first thing, the first important step is done to do on-page SEO, all-in-one SEO pack. Now, I will use some other website because in other website, I already installed and activated the plugin. So I have used this particular website and I showed you how to install this particular plugin. So now, what I want to do is, this is which website? Okay. Let's go back. I want to write a blog regarding some XYZ topic. And for that topic, blog, I want to do on-page SEO. That means if somebody searches for a particular keyword, I want that blog to appear on SERP. So let's use any other, yeah, this one. Top responses are over here and okay. Let's write a blog regarding top resorts in Hyderabad. Okay. Are you there, Pranita? First, let's write a blog regarding top resorts in Hyderabad. Then we will do on-page SEO for that top resorts in Hyderabad blog. When you do on-page SEO, you have to do this on-page SEO for each and every page in your website, no matter it is a page or a post or a product or whatever it is. You have to do for everything. I am telling only for one particular thing, but you have to do for each and every step, each and every page and a post in your website. Now, I am doing on-page SEO for a particular blog called Top Resorts in Hyderabad. So, click on post. I need to create a post, right? So, click on post.
Add new.
Add new. Click on post and add new. And here we will write a blog regarding top resorts in Hyderabad. Okay. Now, we do not have any particular content with us. So let's take, I have a content with me over here. This content is also copy-pasted content. So when you have a copy-pasted content, see, I always tell you that do not copy content from any other website because Google does not like it. But if you are in a hurry and if you want to rank on SERP very fastly, like in case you are in a hurry, you should never do this. But in case you are in a hurry, then there is a tool called Spinboard. Spinboard. Use this tool to spinboard your content. That means content will be same, but the words and sentences will be different. This content only will be reformed into some other content, but with the same meaning. Everything will be same, but the content type will be different. So I'm just copying this content, and for this content, I will spinboard. So first now, let's go to Spinboard, which is a tool where I can twist and turn my content. So spinboard.com, your text to read, right? So just paste your text, whichever you want to rewrite. Then click on spin it. What is this? I try to align with spaces. Why is it asking all these things? We have just updated the website. It was not like this. How is it?
I think we need to slide down on the arrow mark.
Where is down?
Yeah, that arrow mark.
It's just verifying. Why do you do all this? Yeah, just updated the website. It was not this complicated.
I'm not audible.
Okay, one second. Yeah. They have just updated their website. It was not like this before. Now they have done some changes and all these things. Spinboard. me search for something else. Invoke, article spinning, text rewrite. Again, this. Okay.
Let me try once.
Yeah. Okay, we got this. Pranita, it's okay. I've used some other websites, spinboard.info, and spin. Click on spin. Then it will be spin. And can you see this rewritten text over here? The content, the whole content which we have given has been rewritten. What is my content? Just see over here. What was my content? This was my content, right? Tenderly saw as the city of pearls, Hyderabad, a city stack. This was my content. Now let's see our spin-boarded content. Tenderly, what was there over here? Tenderly saw as the city of pearls. If you see over here, tenderly noticed because the city of pearls, Hyderabad, a town stacked up with the all these things are there. That means content will be same. The meaning of the content will be same, but the content will be rewritten. It will be twisted so that it will not come under a copied content. Understood? So if you are in a hurry, just use this tool called Spinboard and you can spinboard your content. So I'm just copying this content for now and come back where you want writing your blog. So that is my title, and click on paragraph, add blog, and click on paragraph and give the text. Okay, my title and my text is done. Now I want to describe regarding some resorts in Hyderabad. So just click on plus enter and click on this blog symbol. So now I should give some resort name, right? So I have to use a heading. See, by default, your text, your title becomes the headline 1. And if you see over here, by default, it is becoming headline 2. Because title is headline 1, this will become headline 2. So now here you have to describe about some resort. First, we will take some Leonia Holistic Destination as our resort. So I'm just copying this resort name and come back over here and paste that resort name. So this is my resort name. Now what should I do? I should give some image, right? So I should give some image. So let's add some image and click on, okay, I have Leonia image, but let's try for some new images. Leonia Holistic Destination images. So which was that image? I don't think they will allow you to copy this particular image, but let's see. It is a web file. Can you see over here? It is not in PNG format or JPG format. So it is a web file, so it will be turned as a file. So do not copy that particular image. Let's see this one. This, they have watermark over here, so I'm not taking that also. And yatra.com, save image as, this is JPEG file. So I can take this file and it will not be converted into a, what do I say? It will not be converted into a web file. So I have just downloaded this image. Now come back over here and paste that, upload that particular image. So going to downloads. Yeah, here is my image. So just adjust the sizes. See, still we have not applied any on-page SEO parameters. The 8 parameters still we have not applied. We are just writing a blog. So this is my title, that is headline, and this is my image. You can just adjust the sizes according to your default, rounded, and all these things. But I want this is a perfect size, so I'm just keeping it like this. Now I want to write some description regarding Leonia Holistic Destination. So click on paragraph. Now go back again. If you do not have time, do this only when you do not have time. When you have time, please don't do this kind of things. And one more thing, see, by mistake, okay, yeah, here links are there. Do not copy the links over here directly. If you copy from here and if you paste in your website, these links also will be copied. So do not copy your links. Because we have spin voted, the links are not being copied. Otherwise, the links also would be copied. So first copy the content, paste it in the notepad, then copy from notepad, then paste it in your website if you are copying from some other website. I'm talking about direct content. So now, I do not have any such great content over there. So I'm just searching for top resorts in Hyderabad. Some blogs will be there. Let's copy the content from the blogs. I already copied the content from Hyderabad Tourism. It is very good website actually. All the time I take the content from them, only the images and the content also. So now I'm taking from TripAdvisor. Let's see how this one is there. Okay. UD, it's lemon tree, right? No, it's not looking good. Okay. Here anywhere Leonia is there? Yeah, Leonia is there. Let's see if they have some content regarding Leonia. Okay, they have a content regarding Leonia. So just click on this one. And about Leonia Resort in Hyderabad. Copy this content. Go to Spinboard. Remove this. Paste it. Okay. Yeah, copy and paste the content. Click on spin. Then the content will be spin and the rewritten text you can see over here. So this is the rewritten text which you can see. Copy this content and paste it in your so this is my content. Now still you if you want to add more content you can add. Copy, try new document, then spin board the content, click on spin. So this is the spin boarded content. Again, copy everything. Come back to your website. Click on paste it. So this is my spin boarded content. Now let's try some other resort. We have just given one resort. Click on plus symbol, click on blog and click on heading. So we have spoken about Leonia. Let's try some other website or other blog. What is this? Other resort. Brugavani. Copy and paste it over here. Again, if you have an image with you, then you can copy and paste that image. So I do not have, I guess. Brugavani Resort. So this is Brugavani Resort. Save image as it's JPEG format only. I have downloaded that particular image. Come back over here, paste that image, that is upload the image. Brugavani. Again, explain something about Brugavani Resort. Okay, now click on this plus symbol, take paragraph and here anywhere Brugavani is there. Here Brugavani. Copy, come back over here, choose the block, it is paragraph block, so paste it. Did I copy from here? Copy and then paste it. Okay. Then again spin the content. So this is regarding Mrugavani. Now click on test symbol. We will add two more and we will keep quiet. Two more resorts. Which one should I take? Hidden Castle Resort. Let's take this. Hidden Castle Resort, Hyderabad. Okay, I'm just removing this text. It is taking some time to upload. Sometimes some images will not be uploaded very easily. So at that time, just there is one option. Just delete this, remove block and add some new image over there. So for now, instead of this image, I will search for some other image so that I can upload over there. Yeah, let's take this image. Save image as and click on JPG. Add new. Actually, to write a blog, it will take lots and lots of time. That is the reason I told you to write a blog and come. Okay, see, can you see this? This image which we have downloaded just now, it has not been downloaded securely. That means you cannot copy paste their images. They have given some code over there so that somebody does not copy their images. So at that time, please do not copy anybody's images. Obviously, you will not be able to copy. So don't copy their images and take some other image instead of that particular image. So I'm taking some other image, save image as, and click on save button. Yes, this image has been copied. Now go back to your website, upload the image. I guess this particular image will be uploaded. Let's hope. Okay, it has been uploaded. Just adjust the sizes according to your wish. Now coming to paragraph, write some paragraph regarding that. Hidden Castle Resort. About Hidden Castle. copy, Spinboard the content. To Spinboard, go into a website called Spinboard, add your content over there and click on Spin button. And your content will be rewritten. Copy that content and paste it in your website. You have to use Spinboard only when you have no other option and you want your website to appear on the SERP very fastly. At that time, only go for Spinboard. Otherwise, do not go for Spinboard. Going for Spinboard is not correct. Okay. So I'm just copying this content from here. Yeah, copy the content. Again, Spinboard, try new document. Paste it. Spin it. If you have your blog with you, then it is very easy to do spin on-page SEO. But if you do not have only, it will take so much of time. So this is about hidden castle. Then click on plus symbol and click on heading. Again, let's use one more result because it's taking lots of time. Because it will appear on SERP, right? It is not for you and me to see, it is for the users to see. So it should be presentable. That is the reason, though my time is wasting, I'm still adding content because it's going to appear on SERP. And when the user clicks on your website, he should feel like he should come to your website for one more time. If you give only less content, then user will forget about your website. That is the reason, though the time is getting wasted, I'm still adding the content over here. Brown Castle, because where your website is going to appear, 100% it is going to appear on SERP only. And users will see, some other people will see, random people. Resort. So this is Brown Castle Resort. Where is Brown Castle Resort? Is it available? Brown Town Resort, sorry. Brown Town Resort. You can copy anything. For now, I'm just copying this image from here. Save image as it is in JPEG format only, so no problem. I have saved the image, come back over here and upload the image. This is my image. And just adjust the image according to your sizes. Yes, the image has been uploaded. Just adjust the size. Now, click on paragraph and add content regarding Brown Town Resort and Spa. So about Brown Town Resort and Spa, Hyderabad, I'm just copying the content. Come back over here. Click on try new documents. It will be refreshed. Paste your content and spinboard it. Why we are spinboarding is because the contents, you should not copy the exact content from any other website. Google will punish you. There are high chances that Google will punish you if you copy the content. So at that time, there is other option called spinboard. But don't do spinboard also, because if you spinboard also, people will get to know whether that is a spinboarded content or it is an original content. How to know whether it is a spinboarded content or whether it is an original content, I'll tell in tomorrow's class. But for now, do not copy your content from any other website. Even if you are copying the content, please spinboard it. If you copy the content directly, then there are high chances that Google will hit your site. And do not think that just because you're spinboarding the content, there will be no problem. In some cases, there will be no problem. 90% there will be no problem, but we never know. That is the reason, always write your original content. But this is just for practice purpose. So I'm just copying the content. But when it is a new website and your own website, you should never do that. Click on read more, amenities and facilities I'm taking, copy it, and generally big companies, they'll be having content writers and also they will not copy the content. But if it is a very small website, then no problem, you can copy the content. But if it is a very small website, then you can copy the content. But if it is a very good website, big website, then big website should not copy the content from any other people. Did I choose a blog as paragraph? Yeah. Copy the content. Okay. Brown, what is this? Brown Town Resort is also done. We'll take Golconda Resort also. If this blog is only seen by you and seen by me, then I would not add this much content. But you have to gain the confidence and trust. You have to build the trust from the audience. That is the reason you have to add content at any cost. So now the Golconda Resort image I don't have with me. I have, but it's not, it's an old image. So Golconda Resort, and copy that particular. Save image as, click on save. Okay. Upload. Upload. Okay, it has been uploaded. Just adjust the sizes according to your wish and click on paragraph and add the content regarding Golconda Resorts. For now, I'm taking this one. Add new. Okay. First, inbold the content, then click on add. Save. This is my rewritten text. Copy this and paste it in your website. First choose a block, then paste it. Okay. Then again click on enter. Again paragraph. Again choose some text from here because the text is very little. I'm just choosing some more text. Amenities, copy. Come back, try new document and paste it over here. Click on save. Done. Copy this content. Paste it in your website. Done. Pranita, are you there? We have just written a whole blog regarding resorts in Hyderabad. That means this part, until this part, you already know how to add an image and how to add headlines and all those things, you know. But there are two important steps in your post. Can you tell me what are the two important steps we should follow when we write a post?
Yeah, we need to add a featured image.
We need to add a featured image. For now,
then add categories.
Yes, we should do the both things. Resorts in Hyderabad. So let's take any good featured image. I'm just taking this image as a featured image. Save image as it's Alankrita Resort image. Okay. Now come back to your website and add featured image. Where featured image will be there? Again, I'm reminding you, if this post and blog option does not appear, then click on the settings symbol. Sometimes in some websites, they might not appear. That is the reason I'm telling. Now click on set featured image and upload that particular image. So this is my image. I'll be setting it as my featured image. Click on featured image. Okay, my featured image has been set. Now the second one is categories. Click on categories and it will come under travel. So I'm just giving it as travel category, and it will come under food also, right? Resort in the sense they will have food and they will go for like for traveling. So I'm giving food and travel, both I'm giving. Add new category. That's it. I don't know if it has been added or not, but it should get added. Okay, first let's publish and see whether it has been added or not. So click on publish. Okay, it has been published. Now you can just go back. This is some other websites. I'm just removing this. This is also some other website. This is also other website. No need to have the Spinboard content now. All these things I'm removing from here. Okay, let's go back because we have updated. Then that is the reason I'm going back. If you do not update, then everything you would lose. So now, okay, it has been just, we could not see over there due to some network issue, I guess. But for now, we have written a blog regarding top resorts in Hyderabad, and we have given a category called food and travel. Okay. Now, up till here, you know previously only, like earlier only, you know this, how to write a blog and how to give a category and how to give a featured image. Now, we will follow all our on-page SEO techniques. Now, can you please tell me what crawler exactly reads in your website? No, all 8 parameters. The first one is
title.
Yeah, title.
Description.
Third one.
Headings from H1 to H6.
Headings H1 to H6. And fourth?
Links.
Correct. Fifth?
Bolds and italic.
Italics. Sixth?
File name. First line of paragraph.
Eighth?
Image alt.
Now what we will do is, we have written a blog. See, when you're doing on-page SEO, write a proper blog. See, do not think it as a wasting time. You have to sit for at least 1 to 2 hours and write a proper content. Now, for this, I have used a Spinboarded content because it is just for teaching purpose and for practice purpose. But when you're writing a blog properly, just sit for 1 or 2 hours and research about that particular topic, then write a blog. It will take 100%. It is going to take at least 2 hours to write a blog only, if you don't use Spinboard and if you write original content. So write a proper blog at first. Now, what we will do, we have written a blog. Now, in all these parameters, we will insert our keywords. Now, the first one is title and the second one is description. That means somebody is searching resorts in Hyderabad. What should happen? My title and my description should appear to the audience. It is for the audience. That means it is for the user. Somebody is searching for this particular keyword. Then this is not an advertisement. This is an organic result, which is an SEO result. So Hyderabad tourism is ranking at first position over here. So for this particular keyword, if I want to rank at some position, no matter which position it is, but if I want to rank on SERP, what I need to do is, the first one is I have to give a title and description. What is title and description? It is like an invitation card. Like if you give invitation, then only people will come to your whatever it is, party or function, whatever it is. So if you give title and description, then only people will click on your website. That is, people will click on your particular blog. So always give title and description. How to give this title and description? Go back, where is it here? Now for this blog, I'm doing on page SEO. Like this for every page and every post you have to do. It is a hectic process only. So now what I told, by default title, this is the title of your blog. This is not the title which is going to appear on SCRP. This is just the title of your blog. See, now the 11 best resorts in Hyderabad is there. By default, they have given this one and that one same. Now that this one, the top resorts in Hyderabad, I have given it as title. This is my title of the blog. But what I'm telling, this one you know how to give. You have to just add the heading and you have to give. How to give this both, we will see now. Click on this particular blog. Scroll down. Yeah. Now, if you observe, when we have done this particular, blogging website, added post and all, you did not see this settings called AIO SEO settings. That means all-in-one SEO settings. Once we have seen it while we were doing some wearable product and all, at that time I just told you to ignore, but now you have to remember. Just because you have installed and activated the plugin called AIO SEO, that is all-in-one SEO, whichever page it is, whichever post it is, and whichever product page it is, everywhere if you scroll down, this settings option will be there. 100% the settings option will be there. Now here you have to give the title which user sees, and here you have to give the description which user is going to see. So this title and this description you need to give over here. In these two places you need to give. Now, before that, there is another option called focus key phrase. This option earlier, this option used to not be there, but now this option is there. Because of this option, it is very easy to do. Now, you have to give a focus key phrase. What is a focus key phrase? Focus key phrase is nothing but the blog you are writing about, the content you are writing about. Now, I am writing about top resorts in Hyderabad. So, what is my focus key phrase? My focus key phrase will be top resorts in Hyderabad. So add your focus key phrase over here. So my focus key phrase is top resorts in Hyderabad. For this particular keyword, I want to rank on SCRP. Somebody searching top resorts in Hyderabad, then my website should appear on SCRP. So this is my top resorts in Hyderabad. I am talking about this particular keyword. Click on add focus key phrase. Just I have added this focus key phrase over here. Now the score is 59 by 100. See here, headline score will be there. This is complete SEO score and this is focus key phrase score. I'll tell you what all these scores are. Now, what is focus key phrase, Pranita?
The title means about what we are writing.
It's not exactly
about the
title.
blog.
It's not exactly the title, but the main thing what you are writing about. Now, suppose you are writing about Sachin Tendulkar. Everything is about Sachin Tendulkar. Then what will be the focus key phrase? Sachin Tendulkar will be your focus key phrase. It's simple. So I'm talking about top resorts in Hyderabad. So my focus key phrase is top resorts in Hyderabad. Then he will tell you what to do and what not to do. So focus key phrase in your SEO title. So it is telling me to insert this focus key phrase in my SEO title. Can you see this? I have already inserted, right? My title of the blog is same. My title of the blog is same. So now no need to change that. Let your title be, it is already checked. So keep it as it is. Focus key phrase in meta description. And focus key phrase in SEO title he is telling me, not focus key phrase in SEO title you have already given. And you have to give a focus key phrase in title and in meta description also. Now this is my meta description. That means this description is known as meta description and this is called title. So let's go back and we have to give the post title, just backspace this one, and here also backspace this one. Now I have to give a post title and meta description. How I need to give post title and meta description is, use this focus key phrase in your title and description. That means whatever sentence you are creating, you have to use this particular focus key phrase, then create a sentence. So now I am giving over here as top resorts in Hyderabad. Did I use my focus key phrase? This is my focus key phrase. I have used my focus key phrase. Now you can add anything over here. You can add before, after, anywhere you can add anything, but make sure you use this word, that is focus key phrase. You have to use everywhere. Now top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples and team outing. Next, okay, team outing we cannot take because it has been extended, right? Top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples. Okay, let's keep it as this much only. Now just see over here, I have used the keyword as unmarried couples. Why did I use unmarried couples? Is because generally married couples also will go, unmarried couples also will go. Now I cannot add top resorts in Hyderabad for married couples, top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples. Both the times I cannot do like that. So smartly what I am doing is I am using the word called unmarried couples. Now when somebody is searching for married couples also, my website, that is my blog, should appear, and somebody is searching for unmarried couples also, my website should appear. That's how smartly you have to add the keywords. Your keyword should not be very lengthy, but you have to make sure that, see, now here two topics are covered, right? For married people who are searching for married also, my website will appear. That means there are high chances that my website will appear, and who are searching for unmarried also, there are high chances that my particular blog will appear on SERP. Like this you have to give. So always use your focus key phrase everywhere. Now I have given the post title over here. That means this title I have given, the 11 best resorts in Hyderabad. Instead of the 11 best resorts in Hyderabad, I have given it as top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples. Now here you have to give the meta description. Now give some meta description over here. Like if you are looking for, see, smartly I have to use the key phrase top resorts in Hyderabad. Then Leonia is the best one. It has facilities such as swimming pool, spa, indoor and outdoor games. What else will be there in the resorts? It has facilities such as swimming pools, spa, indoor and outdoor games.
Food.
But you have to make a proper sentence, right? Because it is a description. You have to add something over here.
With
One second. Make sure whenever you are writing anything, make sure you use all keywords. See, I'm using swimming pool. I'm using the key phrase. The first important step is you have to use the focus key phrase. You're looking for top resorts in Hyderabad. Then what happened?
the text was jumbled.
Looking for top resorts in Hyderabad, and then Leonia is the best one. It has facilities such as
Good environment.
Swimming pool, spa, water park, indoor and outdoor games. It also has a garden. Okay, let's keep it like this. This much is enough. Okay, this much is enough. If you are looking for top resorts in Hyderabad, then Leonia is the best one. It has facilities such as swimming pool, spa, indoor and outdoor games. This is what I have given as my description. And did you observe I have used the focus key phrase over here? Did you observe, Ravnita? Top resorts in Hyderabad. What is my focus key phrase? Top resorts in Hyderabad. Make sure you use the you use the focus key phrase whenever you are giving your title, description, or anywhere. You have to 100% use this focus key phrase. Are you there with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see over here? Before this was into mark, right? Focus key phrase in meta description. Into mark was there because I have not used focus key phrase in my meta description. But now I have used my focus key phrase in my meta description. That is the reason it has been checked. Did you understand? So focus key phrase will help you what to do and what not to do. Before the score was something in 50s, I'd guess. Now the score has increased to 69. Now focus key phrase length, that means top resorts in Hyderabad, the length is perfect. And focus key phrase in URL. That means focus key phrase in the file name. What did I tell you yesterday? By default, your title becomes your focus key phrase. Sorry, by default, your title becomes your file name. Now URL in the sense file name. So let's see our URL. Just scroll down. Here there will be an option called permalink. Can you see over here? Permalink is there. Permalink is in the sense file name. Just click on this permalink. Can you see this top resorts in Hyderabad? Did I give this file name as top resorts in Hyderabad? I have not written top resorts in Hyderabad over here. But by default, whatever the title you give for your blog, I'm not talking about title of which user sees. I'm talking about the title of your blog. So whatever the title you give for your blog, it becomes the URL. That means it becomes the file name of that particular blog. So you can edit it, you can add anything according to your wish, but I'm keeping it as it is. Your file name should be short, it should not be lengthy. So focus key phrase in URL is also done. That means my file name is done, my title is done, my meta description is done. So the three things are done, right? Title, description, file name. 6, 1, 2, 6 is done. Now we will see what other things we have to do. Focus key phrase in introduction. Focus key phrase in introduction. That means while you're in the introduction of your blog, you didn't use your focus key phrase in spelling. So what you have to do is you have to use your focus key phrase in the introduction. Go back and here write something such as, see, if you are able to form a sentence, then form a sentence. But remember, you are not a content writer. You are a marketer. So think like a marketer. What he is telling me to do, he is telling me to add my focus key phrase in the introduction. So it is my job to add. I'm just adding it. If you are a content writer, then they will be adding in a proper way, like they'll form a proper sentence and add. We do not have that much time. So top resorts in Hyderabad. I'm just keeping it like this. So now I have added my focus key phrase in the introduction. If you can make a proper sentence by using this particular focus key phrase, then please make it and add the sentence over here. But now I'm not making any sentence. I'm not forming any sentence. I've just added it. He told me to add. I have added. That's it. Can you see over here? Focus key phrase in the introduction. Before it was into mark. Now it has been checked because I have added my focus key phrase in the introduction. See, do not go for perfectionism. Like everything should be perfect. Don't think like that because you will waste your time. If you're a content writer, then it's okay. You have to add it very beautifully. Even in your website also, if it's a proper website, you have to add in a correct format. But because it is for a practice purpose, what he told me to do, because I have to just check all these options. That is the reason I'm adding my focus. Like he told me to add and I have just added it. It's up to you how you add it. You form a sentence, or you use some quotations, or you give it as a subheading, or you give it as a heading. It's up to you. But what he's telling you to do, please do that. Now, focus key phrase in introduction, before it was into marks, but now it has been checked. Now, can you see over here? Before it was some 64 or something, but now the score has increased to 80 by 100. So it is a very good score, but there are two other things which are left over. Let's see what are those things. Focus key phrase in the subheading. So I didn't add my focus key phrase in my subheadings. What is my subheadings? That means H2 is my heading, and under H2, under H3 and all, I have to add my focus key phrase. So what I'll be doing is, see, you can form a sentence. You have to form a sentence, but I am not forming any sentence. What he is telling me to do, I am doing it. But you, when you are doing it, please form a sentence. I am just following all the parameters over here. That's it. So top resorts in Hyderabad. He told me to add in the subheading, and I have just added in the subheading. Okay. And use more focus key phrases in your H2 and H3 subheading. So in H3 also we will add something. Top resorts in Hyderabad. Here also. But when you guys are doing, please make sure you add proper sentence. Okay, something I have used my focus key phrase and I have given up. Like this for every headline you have to give. But for now, he just asked me to give it in H2 and H3. Okay, still it has not been added. Let's see what's the problem. Use more focus key phrases in your H2 and H3 subheadings. I have used it, right? What he's telling us to do, we have to do that. Click on this heading. So something I have given over here. Let's see whether it has been checked or not. Yes. Now, can you see this, Pranita? Before it was not being checked, but now it has been checked. So focus key phrase in subheadings. That means you are giving some headings such as Mrugamani Resort, Leonia Holistic Destination. Like that, you are giving some heading. But he is asking you to give a subheading also. He is asking you to give a subheading by using what? He is telling you to use your focus key phrase, then create a subheading. If you are a content writer, then they'll be properly forming a sentence. But you have to think like a marketer. That is the reason what he's telling me to do. I'm just doing what my at the end. What is my motto? I have all my options should be checked. That is my motto. So I have to just see whether these all options are checked or not. So all these things are checked. Nerves. Focus key phrase in image called attributes. That means we have added the images over here. We have added featured image, we have added all these 5 images over here, but we have not given image alt. See, one of the 8 parameters. Okay, Kushtil is back.
Yeah, I just joined.
Okay, Kushtil. So I need to give image alt also to every image over here. I have given the title, I have given the description, I have given the headings from H1 to H6, and I have given the file name. All these 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 parameters have been checked. Now the fifth one is image alt. So I have to give the image alt over here. Now scroll down. He is telling me to give image alt. Focus key phrase in image alt attributes. My focus key phrase in the sense the topic of your blog. Now I am talking about top resorts in Hyderabad, so that automatically becomes my focus key phrase. If you are talking about Sachin Tendulkar, if you are writing a blog regarding Sachin Tendulkar, then Sachin Tendulkar will become your focus key phrase. So he is telling me to use focus key phrase in all these things. Focus key phrase in SEO titles. See, Kushal, for you only I am repeating this. Now, all-in-one SEO settings is the plugin which you need to install and activate this plugin to do on-page SEO. So first what we did is we have installed and activated a plugin called all-in-one SEO. AIO in the sense all-in-one SEO. So after that, we have written a blog, and when you have installed and activated a plugin called all-in-one SEO, for every page, because yours is a normal website, for every page, for every post, and for every product, if you scroll down, automatically these settings will appear to you. After you install and activate, these settings are going to appear, no matter it is a home page or whatever page it is. 100% these settings will appear. So what you have to do over here is you have to give your post title and meta description. What is post title and meta description? Now I'm searching for some resorts in Hyderabad over here, and some websites are appearing to me over here. So if just see this particular website called Hyderabad Tourism is ranking at first position, just leave about position right now. For this particular keyword, this website is appearing. So this is the post title and this is the meta description. The user, it's not about you or me. What the user sees, that is known as meta description and it is known as post title. So you have to give what is a post title and meta description. So I have given my post title as top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples, and I have given some description over here which is going to appear on SCRP. Now, what is a focus key phrase? As I already told you, whatever the topic you are writing a blog about, that becomes your focus key phrase. And focus key phrase, when you add your focus key phrase, it will ask you what to do and what not to do. So it's asking us to insert the focus key phrase in SEO title. So my focus key phrase is already there. What is my focus key phrase? Top resorts in Hyderabad is my focus key phrase. Did I use top resorts in Hyderabad? See, no matter you can form how many sentences you want, you can form those sentences. But make sure you use your focus key phrase while forming the sentences. So I have used the focus key phrase in this particular title. And he is telling me focus key phrase in meta description. It is already checked. That means I have used. If you observe this, if you are looking for top resorts in Hyderabad, then Leonia is the best one. Just I formed the sentence by using my focus key phrase. What is my focus key phrase? Key phrase, top resorts in Hyderabad is my focus key phrase. So I have formed the sentence by using focus key phrase. And this option has also been checked. Focus key phrase in URL. URL is nothing but your file name. Where this file name will be there is in post. Scroll down, there is an option called permalink. Just click on permalink. Yeah, just click on permalink. Then you can see URL slug over here. By default, yesterday I have told you while explaining the all 8 parameters, what did I tell? Your post title, that means the title of your blog will, by default, it will become your file name. So my file name has been taken by default as top resorts in Hyderabad. Here I have not given the file name. By default, it has been taken like that. Whatever the title you give over here, it becomes your file name. If you want to add something to your title, you can add it. You can type anything over there. But make sure your file name is short. It should not be very lengthy because it will not look good over here in the URL. So make sure your title and your URL slug, that is your file name, will be a short one. So that one option is filled. That means 3 options we are done with title, we are done with meta description, and we are done with permalink, that is URL also. Now focus key phrase length. So he's telling me the focus key phrase length is good. What is my focus key phrase? Top resorts in Hyderabad is my focus key phrase. So it is telling me the length is perfect. Let's just keep it like that. If you write any lengthy content over here in the place of top resorts in Hyderabad, if you are writing something like top resorts in Hyderabad for unmarried couples and for family outing, it will become big. So at that time, it will tell you to shorten your length. But now it is perfect length. Now focus key phrase in the introduction. You have to use this keyword. See, remember in on-page SEO, add your focus key phrase and use this focus key phrase in everywhere. In all 8 parameters, you have to use this focus key phrase. Now focus key phrase in introduction. I have written a blog regarding what is it? Resorts in Hyderabad. And in introduction, he is asking me to add my focus key phrase. If you are a content writer, then they will be adding then they will be making a proper sentence and they will be adding. But we are marketers, so no need to waste time. Think like a marketer instead of wasting time. So what I did, he asked me to just add the focus key phrase in the introduction. So I have just added my focus key phrase in the introduction. I have just given a colon and I have just used my focus key phrase. It's up to you if you want to form a sentence using the focus key phrase and keep it in the introduction, you can do it like that. But I don't want to waste my time, so I have just used the colon and I have given it as a subheading kind of a thing. So I have used my focus key phrase in the introduction. The one more thing what he told me is use your focus key phrase in the subheadings. Now by default your title becomes the headline 1, this becomes headline 2, and this one becomes headline 3, and so on. So it is telling me use your focus key phrase, that is top resorts in Hyderabad, in your subheadings also. For now I have not given any subheading, so what I did is I have given a subheading. I have just clicked on enter. I just clicked on enter and I have choose the option called heading. And in heading, I have choose the option called headline 3 or headline 4. It is up to you what size you want. Then this will be my proper heading. Under that, if anything is there, then it becomes a subheading. So I have just given my subheading also. You can give the subheading over there or below image also. You can give the subheading. See, for this I have given the subheading below the image. Top resorts in Hyderabad for families. Like this, all the parameters we have covered. Now the last one is focus key phrase in image alt. So you have to give the image alt also. Yesterday I have told you what is an image alt. Now to give the image alt, you have to click on each and every image and you have to give the image alt. How to do that? Now for this image, if I want to give an image alt, just click on this image. Click on this image. Scroll down over here. And there is an option called alt text. There is an option called alt text in the blocks. In the block option, there is an option called alt text. Here you have to give any keyword. Again, here also make sure you use your focus key phrase and form a sentence. So my focus key phrase is top resorts in Hyderabad. So top resorts in Hyderabad. And you can add anything now. For team outing. So this is one of my image alt. Somebody searches for top resorts in Hyderabad for team outing, then there is a high chance that my website will appear on SCRP. Like this, for each and every image, you have to give an image alt. Now for this image, I have given the image alt. Now again, for this also I have to give the image alt. So again, see, now again it is empty because for this I have not given the image alt. Again, use top resorts in Hyderabad. Now add something else. You have covered team outing and then what is that? And in title also you have covered unmarried couples. Now here try something else. Top resorts in Hyderabad for families. So for this keyword also there is a chance that my advertisement is going to appear on SERP. So top resorts in Hyderabad for families I have given. Again scroll down. Again for this image you have to give an alt text. Here you can add something like top resorts in Hyderabad for weekend getaway. So this is one of the keywords. Now again scroll down. Still 2 more images are there. Click over here and give some alt text. Best And top, see, you can add anything before or after, but make sure you form a sentence so that it becomes a keyword. Best and top resorts in Hyderabad for children and best and top resorts in Hyderabad for yeah. Let's keep it as it is. If you want to add anything, you can add. Otherwise, see, now I'm just assuming and I'm adding the keywords over here. There is a tool called Uber Suggest. Use that tool and search for top resorts in Hyderabad. What are the keywords appearing? Use any of that keyword and make sure you use a focus key phrase and form a sentence. For now, I do not have time. That is the reason I'm not using Uber Suggest tool. But otherwise, you have to use Uber Suggest tool over here and you have to give the keywords. Every time you cannot assume. So for this, I'm giving something called top resorts in Hyderabad with swimming pool and spa. So this is my keyword over here. Okay, that's it. We have given image alt for all our images, but we have not given our image alt for our featured image. For featured image also you need to give an image alt. So again, click on featured image. For now, I'm just replacing the image. Okay. Select files. Which was my featured image? This was my featured image. Now, if you see, when you are uploading your featured image, there is an option called alt text. For every normal image, there on the WordPress, there you will be seeing your alt text option. But for featured image, when you are trying to upload, only alt text option will be there over here. So give some alt text option over here. Give some keyword. Top resorts in Hyderabad for couples team outing and if you have used this particular keyword anywhere, do not use it again. It's up to you if you want to use it or not, but you have to use different keywords in all the 8 parameters in different images and all. So top resorts in Hyderabad for couples, team outing and with water games. Okay, this is one of my keywords. Set featured image. Now I have given my alt text for images and I have given my alt text for featured image also. Now let's see whether that particular option is ticked or not. See, before this one was into. This one was into, and at the starting when we have installed and activated this all-in-one SEO plugin, our score was some 50 or 40 something was there. Now just before this one, just before this was into, and our score was 90, but now it has become 100 out of 100. So the most important score is you have your focus key phrase score. There are different kinds of score. This is headline score. This is total SEO score, and this is your focus key phrase score. So 100% make sure your focus key phrase score is above 85 to 90. If it is 100, it is very good. And make sure you follow all these things. Add something focus key phrase over here and just adjust accordingly. Add your focus key phrase in title, in description, URL, in key, just see your key phrase length in introduction, in subheadings and image order. So how many things are done? Title is done, meta description is done, file name is done, that is URL is done, and image alt is done. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 parameters we have covered: title, description, headlines, and image alt. Links is there, bold and italics is there. Okay, file name also we covered, right? Okay, headline 1 to headline 6 also we have already given. So 5 things are done. So now the 3 things are left over: links, bolds and italics, and first line of the para. So let's see what is there in our first line of the para. Our SEO score is also very good. It is 82 by 100. If it is 75, it is good. If it is 82, it is really good. Now let's see what is the first line of the para. Top resorts in Hyderabad, tenderly noticed because of City of Pearls, Hyderabad, a town stacked up with, okay, it is good only, City of Pearls is there, Hyderabad is there, and all these things are there. So let's keep it as it is. Make sure your first line of the para contains good keywords and it is good, and there is a good meaning for that first line of the para, because Google reads the first line of the para. Now, first line of the para is also done. The two things which are left over is bolds and italics and internal links and outbound links. So for now, just observe, before our score was very less over here. Because we have added all these parameters, we have inserted keyword in all these parameters, our score has gone to 82. Now let's see, we'll give some internal links and outbound links, and we'll give some bolds and italics. For which kind of words we need to give bolds and italics and all. So now what I will do is, I will use some proper keyword, and for that I'll be giving bolds and italics. Now see, this one is there, Hyderabad is there. I will change this Hyderabad into bold. Bold, because I have to give bolds and italics, right? So I'm changing it to bold. And again over here, Leonia Resort is there. I'm just changing it into italics. One bold, one italic. Now, still what else? This is Brugavani Resort, and swimming pool, I'm making it as italic, and Telangana, I'm making it as bold. So this is also done, one bold, one italic. And anything else which we can give it as bolds? Let's see. Nicely maintained resort. Okay, for now, let's scroll down. We have lots of content with us. So this one I'm giving as bolds, and rain dance, I'm giving it as italics. Hidden Castle Resort, I'm making it as bold. Don't make complete text as bold and italics. It will not look good. Only here and there you have to make the text as bold and italics, and use the proper words to give bolds and italics. Continental is there. Let's give continental italic. And here environment is there. Okay. Scroll down, the last one. I'm making spa as italic. And resort, I'm making it as bolds. Nizams is there over here. Let's take this italics. Hygienic is there over here. Let's make it as bolds. Restaurant is there over here. Let's make it as italics. So I have given bolds and I have also given italics. Now the thing is, I have to give some internal links and I have to give some outbound links. So scroll up And for which one you want to give internal and for which one you want to give outbound, you can select. So first, I want to give an internal, let me first update this one. Okay, wait. I'll open this website in a new tab so that I can give an internal link to myself. Copy this URL. Don't copy wp-admin. Pranita, that day what happened, you know, right? You were able to, again, that option was coming to log into your website. So it should not happen like that. So make sure you should not copy wp-admin over there. So now I want to, this is which website? Okay, it has already been updated, right? Yeah. I want to give internal link to top restaurants in Hyderabad on the same website. So for my website only, I'm giving an internal link. So what I'll do is I have just opened the blog called top restaurants in Hyderabad and I will copy that particular URL, that is the file name, and I'll paste it over there for a particular word. Now this is my top restaurants in Hyderabad. See, the title has become your file name. By default, it will happen like that only. So copy this and come back over here. Now for City of Pearls, I want to give a internal link. So there is a chain option over here. Click over here and paste your URL and click on enter. You have clicked on enter. So just see the color, City of Pearls has been changed to internal link. Now if you observe, the score was 82 by 100. Before our score was 82 by 100. That is our complete SEO score. But now after I give an internal link, it has changed to 85 by 100. So your score will increase while you are doing all the on-page parameters. Now this is one internal link. Let's give some outbound link also. For what can we give outbound link? Some motels is there. Motels in the sense it's like same like hotels only. So for now, what I will do is I'll take some Hyderabad tourism website or motels in Hyderabad. Let's search. Okay, Hyderabad tourism is not ranking over here. So what I will do is I will just take any of the website and for this particular website, I'll give an outbound link. So just click on this particular thing and copy their URL. See, your URL should not be like this. This much big URL should not be there. It should be very small. And for motels, I'm giving the outbound link. So click over here. Click on enter. That's it. I have given an outbound link for motels. And let's give an internal link. Just 5 more minutes, guys. It's already one. For internal link, I'll be using some hospitality or let's use Hyderabad. Yeah, Hyderabad. Internal link. Again, for my website only. Again, I want to give an internal link to this page only. It's up to you for which page you want to give. So I have given an internal link for myself. Now again, just observe my score has increased from 85. Before it was 82, then it became 85, then it became 87 over here. So the score is becoming really good. If it is 70, it is more than enough. And headline score does not matter. If you give n number of headlines, then your score automatically increases, but it is not that mandatory when it is compared to focus key phrase score and all-in-one SEO score. Even more than all-in-one SEO score, your focus key phrase score is more important. So again, over here, for any of the word, please give a
food. Okay.
What you said?
Food.
Where is food?
Yeah, in second first line. Homely and down. Not there.
This one?
Yeah.
So for food, if I want to give an internal link or outbound link, I can choose any of the websites. For now, I'm using a resorts in Hyderabad website only, but don't give your links to your competitors, but this website is a good website, so let's give a link to him. But you guys, please do not give a link to your competitors. I know I might be giving, but you guys don't give. For food, I'm giving a link to one second. Okay, I've just deleted that particular image, I guess, by mistake. So let me add it. Yeah, all text also. Okay, you guys know how to give internal links and outbound links, right? So again, for all the content, choose some 2 to 3 internal links and give some 2 to 3 outbound links also. For now, hidden castle is there. Just choose this particular word and give an internal link and give an outbound link also. Like this, for I have given for 3 particular topics. You have to give for whole topics and make sure your 87 is more than enough. But if it is 70, sorry, if it is 70, it is more than enough, and 87 is really good. So we have covered all the 8 parameters. If you observe, we have given title, we have given description, we have given headlines, we have given links also, internal links and outbound links also. For this content, that many links are enough. But if you want to add some more links, you can add those links, because 3 more topics are there to give internal links and outbound links. Again, bolds and italics also you should give for whole content. And file name, automatically your title becomes your file name. And first line of the para, make sure every line of the para, that means every first line of the para is a good one when compared to other lines, other sentences. And make sure for each and every image you give an image art. Now, because all these things scroller reads, you have to insert keywords in all these 8 places. And we have done all that thing. And make sure your focus key phrase score is really good. If it is 100, it is best. If it is 80, 75 also, it is good only. And here 70, 75 is more than enough. And don't think that much about headline score. Headline score does not matter. So now we are done with adding our key phrase, that is our keywords in all the 8 parameters. Tomorrow what we will do is, tomorrow we will submit this particular blog to Google. Now, Kushal, what you have to do for your website is install this all-in-one SEO pack. I'll just upload this video if you want to see how to install and all. Just upload this all-in-one SEO pack, then activate it. Activate. After that, now your website will have each and every page, right? Can you please tell me your website name?
It's ATES.
ATES.
.co.in.
Yeah. Now what you have to do is, for each and every page, I'm doing it for only just one post. But for each and every page, for this page also, you have to do on-page SEO. Again, for this page, you have to do. Again, for this page, and all these pages, again for sub-pages also, for each and every page, you have to do on-page SEO. Now you are writing about some Linux operating systems, right? Now Linux operating system will become your focus key phrase. You'll have the option, just scroll down after you install and activate the plugin. There will be an option called focus key phrase. Just click on that plus symbol and add your focus key phrase as Linux operating system. Now what you have to do is, for this particular page, you have to use this word called Linux operating system and add the keywords. You have to form a keyword that is a sentence and add it in your headline, your subheadings, your image alt, your featured image, everywhere. Now for each and every image, you have to give a keyword using focus key phrase. Like this for each and everything you do, and make sure your score becomes really good over here. Now, Linux operating system should be in title. It should be in description. See, some blocks will be there over here in title and description. Just backspace those blocks. Like this blocks will appear over here. You might think how to edit it. I'm just telling you, just this kind of blocks are going to appear over here. At that time, just backspace it and write your content. So now Linux operating systems, something, form a sentence and add over here. Again, form a description, form proper sentences and give some description. For every page, you have to do like that, because it's a complete website you're doing. I have done for only one post or a page. That is the reason it is easy, but when you're doing it for a whole website, it will become a little bit hectic. So you do it slowly, you do it, and insert your particular key phrase, that is Linux operating system, in your URL also, and see whether the length is good or not. Insert that keyword in introduction, insert in subheadings, insert in image alts, and for the every page. Now for this page, you have not given any bolds and italics, I guess. So you have to give some bolds, some italics also for particular words. You know, right, which words are important and all. So use those important words and give bolds and italics. And make sure you give internal links and outbound links in every page. Now, suppose here something is there, anything, stock exchanges or something is, okay, desktops is there over here. So copy this desktop and there will be a chain option. Click on that chain option and link it to any other page of your website only. Which page is related to some desktop where you're talking about desktops and all, somewhere. Otherwise, if you're not even talking about desktop, make sure that you link it to some DevOps pages there over here. Now copy this DevOps page over here and paste it over there, so that you will be giving an internal link. Now see, DevOps is your title of this page. By default, what it has become? It has become the file name. That means your URL is already done. No need to do this URL part, because automatically Google will take, that is your WordPress will take your title as your file name. So like this, you have to give internal links, outbound links, bolds and italics, and add keywords in images. Now for this is an image, I guess. So for this image, just click over there, and on the right side, post option will be there. There you can give the image alt. Add that keyword called. That means here your focus key phrase can be DevOps, development and operations, or whatever it is. Use the development and operations and form a sentence and give it as a keyword. So somebody is searching on SCRP as development and operations and something, whatever you give, for that particular keyword, this page should appear on SCRP. So tomorrow, you just do this thing, just install and activate all-in-one SEO pack, and try to give bolds and italics and internal links and outbound links, and make sure you don't give outbound links to your competitor. Give it to some informational website, and image all you try. All these things you try and come. If you do not get, just please ask me tomorrow, but make sure you give some bolds and italics and internal and outbound links. Because tomorrow I'll tell you how to submit your website to Google. You have to submit your website to Google tomorrow. We will, and day after tomorrow, we will see for which keywords we are ranking on SCRP. Like that only, day after tomorrow, we will see for which keywords your website is also ranking on SCRP. So make sure you complete this task today. I'll just upload this video in another 15 to 20 minutes. You just watch this video, and we'll join tomorrow for tomorrow's class, and we'll complete submitting our website to Google. That's it. So
Sure.
we'll meet tomorrow, Kushal. Just make sure you do this, Kushal, because we'll
Sure.
see where your website is also ranking day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Pranita. Thank you, Kushal.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.